Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Modway Furniture Reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, and it is an online shopping site that deals with multiple products of furniture products including sofas, bedroom set, king's bed, sofa cum beds, TV units, dining sets, storage items, office items, TV and appliances, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now, talking about the sale, so yes, a sale is going on. You can find your desired option. Apart from that, guys, citizens from India and United States are curious to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. So let's talk about the payment information first. So guys, they have not provided a particular payment info section on the in the menu option button, but yes, in the FAQ section they have provided the information related to payment, and they accept all major credit debit cards including net banking, wallet payment, UPI application as well. So this was the payment information, guys. Now coming to the shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping rates section. In this section you will find the entire info. So they have mentioned the shipping country name as well, and apart from that, it will take around 1 to 4 days for dispatching, and for pre-orders the estimated delivery time will be 12 to 15 business days. So this was the shipping info, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But coming to the domain information of this site, it was created on 27th of February 2020. So guys, this domain name is more than 1 year old, which is a positive sign, and this domain is registered for 2 years. So this is a positive sign that defines its legitimacy, but we need to explore the entire information before making any online purchase from this particular site. So coming to the about us information of this site, they have provided the offering information, which is a positive sign, but guys, they have not provided the information related to business owner name and brand connection info or business establishment year, which is a negative sign. Now coming to the contact details of the site, you need to visit the contact info, and they are asking to put up your zip code and then submit. However, they have provided the notes of like click here to check out Amazon USA profile. So you can check out the Amazon USA profile, Amazon India profile or Flipkart profile as well while visiting the contact us details. Guys, they have not provided the entire contact details including contact number and official address, which is a negative sign. Now coming to the social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all, as we are not able to find the social media icons on the website. And guys, in the context of return policy, let's check out the return policy of the site. So you can see you can return your items within 14 days. And guys, if you have any return or refund issues, then you can mention in your comments as well. And guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And coming to the reviews or talking about Modway furniture reviews, we have found few mixed reviews, guys, about this site, and we have found few complaints as well. 6 total complaints in the last 3 years of those, and guys, 3 complaints were closed in last few months. So this was the information related to reviews. So guys, from this factor we can say that you need to wait for some time, or you need to explore the entire information before placing any order. However, the trust index score of the site is 60%, which is a good point. There is no risk about the trust index score, but guys, we are not able to find reviews on this popular review sites, which is a negative sign. No reviews are available regarding this site on the popular review sites, and this website is not optimized for search engines as well. So these are the loopholes of this particular website. So guys, in the final conclusion, we would say Please check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order, because there are some loopholes as well. So guys, I request you all to share your experience with this site so that other customers can invest their money on worthable or valuable or genuine sites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.